hurts. I can't punch in the fucking...
Oh!
Hey, easy, easy.
Party foul!
Get him, Misty, get him! Misty, get him!
Watch out, Madden. Go up there.
Oh!
Oh, shit!
Oh! Getting hateful in here.
Jeez. I'm gonna start fighting the match. Come on.
Put your ass into it, Misty. Put your ass into it.
Put your ass to do
Put
it!
your ass in it. Ass! Ass to ass. There's nothing right there for a dream.
Go for the scrote.
I'm trying to go for the screw. Ow!
Just fell out.
I think
You just laid eggs.
No more bells.
He dropped the ball.
She's laid eggs.
I need more ice.
Ooh.
You wanna come back? I'll beat your ass. God, I hate you.
Get ready to pounce.
Go check on her.
Go get her.
Oh, God.
Oh, it's your hand. I was like, whoa. Dude, you lost both balls.
Oh!
I'm keeping those. Put them, look, I have Dune's balls in a box.
Oh, God!
Fuck, get the fuck out of here, you faithful ass. I wish it was like a, you know what, like coat hangers that hang up on doors?
I'll take her.
Just stick it on it. Stay still.
They get you?
They hate me.
Did they get you?
No. They hate me.
They hate me too.
Oh, God!
Ow! I'm just, ow, shit! Fucking bite, I don't bite. That sissy person bites when they're fighting. I bite you.
Because you slapped me in the fucking face and I can't reach you.
Why can't you reach me?
Oh, God!
That is so... Oh, I'm like Donkey Kong. Misty, put your ass in it.
It's gonna break my leg with that big fucking thing.
Hey!
Oh, he's gonna run for more.
It's like fighting a skeleton. There ain't no much. It's like, how can I fight? I can hurt a skeleton. It's all bone.
Can you believe this? Your dogs just bit me.
Did they?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
She incited them. It's her. I'm like, what the hell?
I'm
I get
sorry.
the treats all the time. Now I've got a gimpy ankle.
Again?
Again, yeah.
Hey, get that.
She's too busy.
Is it a text or a call?
Incoming voice call.
Open it.
Open it.
Talk to him.
Hello, Misty's phone. Brittany speaking.
Who is
Who's
it?
Brittany? I'm
Oh,
Fred.
shit.
Who is it?
She's wrestling a fat guy right now.
Fired?
She's busy.
I've already been fired, Misty. Hold on.
What?
I'm already been fired.
Why is she fired? I'm joking with her.